Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when it comes to highlighter application, I'm a little bit of a newbie, so this Rare Beauty highlighter brush has been just perfect for me. It feels like a great quality brush. I have not noticed any of the bristles falling out whatsoever. Some highlighter brushes that I've seen have been really big and fanned out, and for me personally, I think that this would make it challenging for me to get a precise application. This brush is full and slightly domed and fluffy at the tip, and it holds on to just the right amount of highlighter. It allows me to apply my powder highlighter exactly where I want it, like high up on my cheekbones, the side of my forehead, down the middle of my nose, and just a little touch on my chin. Sometimes I like to use the brush to dab just a little bit of highlighter under my eyebrows as well. It is super soft and feels light as a feather when I'm brushing it across my skin. This brush makes it really easy not to over apply and also to avoid areas where I don't want to highlight my pores, like the area of skin close to my nose. I can get really natural and pinpointed highlighter application using this Rare Beauty highlighter brush. And that's my point of view.